Hello everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix TikTok shop not appearing on TikTok profile. So it is going to be a pretty simple step, so make sure you still follow till the end of this video so you do not make a mistake. So also make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you actually do that, and also do not forget to subscribe. Alright, so setting up different prices in TikTok shop is actually pretty simple. So it is about a comparison in front of you, but we are not going to be talking about Shopify. So now to set up your prices for products on TikTok shop, you just adjust prices directly in TikTok shop dashboard, and that could be done by accessing the products section of your dashboard and selecting the product you want to adjust and entering the new price. So you can see it is really straightforward and simple, and it's important to note that any changes you make to the prices TikTok shop will not affect the prices listed on your Shopify store. This means that you can offer different prices and promotions to customers on TikTok shop without affecting the price listed on your main store. So yeah guys, that's how simply you can change the prices on TikTok shop. And if you have any question, let us know in the comments below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and head over to the link in the description to simply donate us. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.